Ayaw nyo lang tanggapin. Yun.
Mag-file pa sila ng motion for reconsideration apparently. I'll see. But for the
I
part...
don't know. Pwede ka pa ba mag-MR?
Hindi ko nga alam. Saan mo ipapasa yun? I don't know. But,
So, anong court is higher than the Supreme Court?
mali sa so,
Heaven. It's a bit disrespectful, no, if you really think about it.
or
I
baka
don't
may-
know. I don't know how. Kasi wala tayong comment from the from the Supreme Court. Let them answer that kung ano yung move na again ng Congress. So, yung Supreme Court talaga magsasabi na it's a technical matter. Only lawyers know that.
True. We'll see. We'll see if they'll really file the motion. But for the part of the Senate, in an interview, Senate President Escudero said they respect the decision and they will no longer convene the impeachment court. But although other senators like Risa, sinasabi nila they will still haharangin nila Mayor any motion to terminate the impeachment proceeding. So, abangan.
Hindi, dapat kasi tapos na yun eh. Hanggang doon na yun. Dulo na yan eh.
Supreme Court. Or baka may korte pa sila.
Because yung judiciary, yung mga korte, sila yung nag-i-interpret ng law. Kasi kung hindi nyo naiintindihan yung mga ginagawa nyo dyan, nag-aaway-away kayo, kunwari tulad ng impeachment, ipapasa nyo sa mga korte para sila mag-interpret ng law kung ano nakasulat sa batas, yun yung decision nila based on what's written in the law. So ngayon, anong gusto nyo? Amendahan nyo yung batas. Kasi hindi sumang-ayon sa gusto nyo. So anong purpose ng Supreme Court ngayon? 'Di ba? So it only shows that this issue, the impeachment of the Vice President, is purely political.
Tama. Abangan.
In the House naman, Romualdez also said, regarding the impeachment, Mayor, he said that the power to initiate impeachment is the exclusive domain of the House of Representatives. It is neither granted nor guided by any outside institution.
Tama naman. Kasi may separation of, there are 3 branches of government. May separation of powers yan. So, sige, hayaan mo siya sabihin na siya, but that statement is political. Di ba? Yung decision ng korte, that's technical. Di ba? That's objective. Ang opinion ng Congress is subjective to them. Yung opinion ng korte, objective yan. Ano ba sabi ng Supreme Court? Ito yung sinabi ni Senior Associate Justice of the Supreme Court, Marvick Leonen. It is not our duty to favor any political result. Ours is to ensure that politics are framed within the rule of just law. So yun na yung sinasabi ko, Congress kasi, they are political personalities. They're elected officials. Politics yan. They have their interests and ito kasing Supreme Court, objective ito. Subjective yung Congress. Ayaw nila si VP dito sa Supreme Court, either gusto namin or ayaw namin si VP, we have to follow the law. Ganun yun. Ayaw lang tanggapin ng
House.
malinaw naman talaga yan sinabi ni Leonen.
And the vote was unanimous, 13-0.
Yes. Supreme Court and bank. And also, Mayor, I think by their logic, since a lot of people has also mentioned the separation of powers, exclusive domain of the Congress, by that logic, Mayor, wouldn't you agree na it also goes the same for the Supreme Court, since they have also the power to question the constitutional intricacies of the legal proceedings ng impeachment. Since Congress, it's their job to think about the substance of the impeachment proceedings, the court naman is primarily a legal and constitutional procedure yung inaatupag nila. So he also said, Mayor, Justice Leonen also mentioned in his in the decision that the court has the duty to construe the process mandated in the Constitution. So it was procedural. The problem was procedural, of course.
Yeah. Because may reference sila and that is the Constitution. So they have to follow it. Kasi hindi sila magiging justices pag hindi nila sinunod yun. Trabaho nila yan. Ang trabaho ng Congress, ipitin yung kalaban nila. Di ba? Yan yung difference eh. Pero kasi, pag yung mga matters kasi talaga na hindi ma-resolve sa mga sa politics, dinadala yan sa korte. Tapos, pag sumagot na yung korte, tapos na yun. Tapos na yun. Di nang talaga nila matanggap kasi nga, they do not want na mawala itong issue na to about the impeachment kasi they're weaponizing it against Vice President Duterte.
True.
It's propaganda. Ayaw nila na mamatay or mawala yung propaganda nila, yung narrative nila. Pero ayan. Tatawa ka na lang eh. Pwede bang wala ba naman talagang nakapagsabi dyan? 4 billion yung confidential funds ng presidente? As against to the 125 million? Bakit hindi natin... Okay. So, why not talk about the 4 billion confidential funds of Bongbong Marcos now? Since tapos na yung kay, VP. And sa simula pa lang, di ba, nagsabi na yung COA eh.
There's a unmodified opinion already.
Oh. Wala na talaga yan from the very start. Wala na talaga yan.
Let's see kung saan nila i-file yung kanilang motion for reconsideration. But
Sa presidente, malamang.
doon yan.